This is day 4, Bronco rebuild tanker. Back again.
Okay, what do you got?
Got to take this door off.
All right.
So, we got a 9/16 wrench front end, but I don't know which.
So we're fixing the door, and Kyle saw grinding this bumper off. I'm gonna throw that grill on it now. We'll take that off too. We'll keep you updated.
Jack just finished this up. Yep, it's better. Actually, just take that big grinder. I'll do it real quick. You just go so it looks clean.
Oh, I can.
You know what I mean? You can use that.
Hold her up, Jack.
I don't know what the heck their idea was, but towing hook, we don't need this because our Bronco is extreme. It's actually not that dirty for sitting for 7 years.
8 years.
Thought it was 7. That's still way dirty, dude. Sounds about as I was thinking.
We took that tire off. We're gonna get that fixed. We cut these 2 things that were right there. Also cut this side step, which is gone. Cut that front hitch right there. Took the door off, took new hinges off, put new hinges on, which is kind of a challenge.
After I had to tell him a few times he needed new hinges. We took off. There was some homemade, like toe thing. Took that off, threw that in the bed of the truck. We're taking all this to the junkyard, but the tire, we have to get that fixed. Yeah, these step sides, we don't need that. This was the toe thing I was gonna show you guys. Somebody homemade jobbed this. We're not gonna need that. This old fender, we're just gonna take that to the scrapyard. So that's that. This fender we're gonna keep. We're not gonna replace because I will show you guys that. I'll show you guys this fender right here has a lot of things you gotta take off, and we're just not gonna take care of that. So if the fender goes bad, we'll replace it. But if you see, all this stuff's attached to it. Took off our tire. We're gonna get a new tire put on it. Fix the old one. Kyle grinded this off.
Kyle has something to say.
I'll say. Okay. There is a person that I know that says I cannot finish this, and he's a nobody. His name starts with a B and ends with a rice. And I will show up to his driveway and do a burnout and go away. Mark my words.
We will video everything.